Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya. I'm studying in third year BE Electrical and Communication Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I'm discussing about impact of globalization and WTO on SSIS. Introduction to SSIS and globalization. The small scale industries SSI they play a crucial role in the economic development of countries. The globalization refers to the interconnectedness of economies, the cultures and populations worldwide. Understanding the impact of globalization on the SSI is essential for the policy markers and the business owners. The role of SSS in the globalization. SSC contributes significantly to employment generation and the poverty elevations. These are the vital for the production of goods and the services that cater to local markets. The SS also the promote the entrepreneurship and the innovation within the communities. Overview of globalization. Well, the globalization has a lead to the reduction of trades barriers and increase the market access. The technological the mm, advancements have a facilities the easiest communication and transportations. The integers of the communities allow for the flow of capital goods and services across the borders. The WTO and trade policies. The WTO means the World Trade Organization established the rules of the international trade to the promote the fairness. It aims to eliminate the tariffs and the quotas which can benefit the exporters and including the SSIS. The WTO the agreements can create a more predictable trading environment for small businesses. Opportunities for the SSS in global markets. Globalization provides the SSS with access to larger and the international markets. They can expand their customers base behind the local and national borders. The participation in the global supply chains can enhance the competitiveness and innovation. The challenges faced at the SSIS such due to the globalization, the increase the competitions from the multinational, the corporation can be trade in the service of the SSS. The SSS I can struggle to the meet the international quality standards and compliance the regulations and the volatility of globalization markets can pose the financial risk for the small businesses. The impact of WTO on SSIs. The WTO policies can facilitate better access to export the markets of SSIs. They may also provide a platform for SSIs to voice their concern on trades barriers. However, the benefits may not be evenly distributed, often the favoring the larger the entrepreneurs. Adaptations strategies for the SSI. The SSIs must be invest the technical and skills development to remain competitive. The collaborations and the partnership among the SSIs can be struggle then their market positions. The delivering products their services can help the mitigate the risk and association with globalization. Policies recommendations. The government should implement the supportive policies to boost the resilience of the SSIs and providing the access to the financial and resources can be enhanced the the capacity of SSIs to the compete the globalization. The tailored the training the programs can be equip SSIs workers with the necessary skills for the globalization markets. Conclusion: globalization with the WTO means World Trade Organization. The presented both the opportunities and challenges of the SSIs, and strategic the adaptations and supportive policies are the crucial for the sustainable of the SSS. A balance the approach they can help the maximization the benefits of the globalization while minimizing risk. Thank you for watching.